Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And on today's discussion, I'm going to discuss what I believe right now are the best NFT games in the metaverse. Okay, this has been based on my personal research. It's not a financial advice, and I'm just giving you guys the latest news. So moving on, right now, one of the games that I consider on the top NFT games in order for investments to play games for play to earn is Axie Infinity. Okay, Axie Infinity has been doing very well since its release date. It's enabled thousands and thousands of players to earn a passive income just by using the NFT to participate in some of the game events, PvP, PvE. Okay, there's so much development going on behind Axie Infinity game. They have a big development team. This is one of the reasons why if anybody wanted to get into NFT games play to earn, I will strongly recommend Axie Infinity, simply because it's one of the best NFT games at the moment, right? Looking at all the other NFT games in comparison, they are very, very pale in comparison to Axie Infinity. Okay, I've been looking at hundreds of different NFT games throughout the metaverse, and 90% of the games out there are just honestly just trash, because the games, the other games that have not been doing so well have been designed just for pump and dumps. Okay, the developers have not thought about the long term, they've just thought about the short term, which means that when they release these games, the whole purpose, I'm talking about the games that are failing. Okay, I'm not gonna go off topic, but I'm just explaining to you why the other games are not doing so well. It's because they don't think about the long term. They've designed the games for short terms, and that's why they're failing. Now, Axie Infinity has been designed for long term play to earn. Okay, that's the reason why it's been doing so well, because the simple fact is the dynamic of the game, all the elements that involves play to earn, it's right in the formula of Axie Infinity. So anybody who wants to start to earn some money passively can get into Axie Infinity. Obviously, it's going to depend on the team that the person is going to acquire. But due to the fact that this game has so much to give, there's always ways to make money. Okay, and that's one of the reasons why I've been looking at all the games, and I just came to the conclusion that the other games have nothing in comparison to this. Okay, they just don't. It's like basically no competition. Okay, if you want to put it that way. So if you're looking for a game that's gonna give you, playability, economy, passive income, I would probably say that first of all, Axie Infinity will be the way to go. Okay, it's not too late to get in, as far as I'm concerned. It all depends on you, on the individual investment, if they're willing to start investing and obviously start to earn a passive income. Okay, now moving on to my second pick. In my second pick, I have chosen Mobox. Okay, play to earn is Mobox. Mobox has so much diversity in terms of gameplay. Okay, has many elements that enables players to earn a passive income. It has also a big community, has a good development team, has a good marketing, and just the fact that it also has the community overall it's big, and that the game, even though it's been out for this long, is still doing very well, is the reason why I would probably say that Mobox is also one of the second best NFT games for the year 2021. Okay, anybody who wants to start playing these games, I've given you right now the top NFT games. This is based on my personal research. If you want to find an NFT game that it's not gonna be a risk like all the other NFT games that have basically lost money to a lot of investors, I would advise you to start with the top two that I've just mentioned. First will be Axie Infinity, and the second game will be Mobox. Okay, the reasons being is because right now they are the best NFT games for 2021. They have been doing very well. They have a good development team. They have good marketing. They have a big community, and all these elements makes it that these games have a potential long term for the metaverse in terms of NFT games. Okay, and that's why I'm advising anybody who's thinking about getting into NFT games, do have a look at Axie Infinity and Mobox. Those will be the two that I will personally recommend as top NFT games for 2021. So this was my little review, sort of like presentation about what I would advise personally. And hopefully, as I always say, this is not a financial advice. I'm giving you information based on my own research. Now, what you do with your money is your own choice. Now, when it comes to the entry requirement for both of these games, I will probably say on average you need between $1,500 to $3,000. That will be my recommendation, because the fact is, in order to make money, you will need money, and these games require you to buy NFTs. And if you want to obviously have teams that will make you passive income, you gotta understand that you also need to put up some money up front. It's just an investment. That's why I always recommend that if you get into an NFT game such as Axie Infinity, Mobox, make sure that you understand that you need a capital of, I will recommend, between $1,500 to $3,000. It may seem like a big amount, but in the long run, it's the way the game is being designed. Okay, if you're going to invest a low amount, you're gonna get obviously not a very good team. And what I recommend is always to get an average team, so that you can actually make some good average passive income. Okay, so obviously there's room for lower budget, but initially, as far as I'm concerned, the best starting point will be between the amount that I've just mentioned. Okay, so basically that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoy my little investigation and presentation in order for you guys to understand what are the best NFT games right now. Okay, you guys can go through all the other games that have been released so far. I will guarantee you will not find anything close to Axie Infinity or Mobox right now. Hopefully next year there's gonna be more NFT games that are going to be released. I'm looking out for new NFT games. I'm continuously scouring the metaverse to find new NFT games that have big potential or can make obviously passive income. So stay tuned, watch my channel. I'll bring you guys the latest news. If I find something that is interesting, I will let you guys know. And guys, always remember that I'm also investing my own money into these projects, so that's how I'm able to give you guys some of these reviews. Okay, so guys, take care and see you on the next one.